have
Shut the fuck up!
LGBTQ.
These are radical Christians and they're housing neo-Nazis!
Right, but
and you're defending... God, you're fucking stupid!
They don't push gays off the top.
Are
of the
you
building.
kidding?
Gay.
Shut the fuck up,
they
you
don't.
bigot! Shut the fuck up! You
I know,
don't
you're
want
great.
to
He
learn!
needs to learn how to communicate like you.
Shit!
Oh, are you gonna threaten me?
Did you misgender her? Did you misgender her?
Apparently.
You know, as a part of LGBTQ, ito talaga yung pinahayo-ayaw ko mangyari sa Pilipinas. Wag naman sana. Sobrang distorted na mga utak. They are lost sa pinaglalaban nila. I mean, di ba? Parang they want to be superior and so much entitlement that they don't even recognize others anymore. They want na sila yung masunod. Hindi naman ganyan ang buhay. And if we really want to be respected, or if you really want a person na respetohin ka, you also need to respect others. If they don't want to call you ma'am, don't force them because it's their right not to call you ma'am. 'Di ba? Nakakaloka kasi, why are you pushing that kind of narrative sa ibang tao? If choice nila na hindi ka tawaging ma'am, wag mo ipilit. Ganun lang yun. Move on, bye. If tatawagin kang ma'am, edi go, happy. Oh, example na lang. Kasi ito yung common sa LGBTQ na nagdedeband ng ganyan ha. Yung ganitong looks, oh. Ganitong looks. A lot of LGBTQ na mas uncle pa yung itsura sa akin. Sila pa yung nagdedemand na tawaging ma'am. Tapakin nga natin yung utak po. Di ba? Pero yung mga babaeng babae talaga, yung mga sexy na, they don't even demand na tawaging ma'am. Di ba? Yung mga, usually nga sa Thailand, yung mga magagandang mga Thai, happy nga sila, they are proud to be called lady boy. So, bakit sa atin parang iba? Diba? So, you can identify yourself kung ano ka. Pero you just do not push it to other people. And wag ka magalit kung ayaw nilang tawagin kang ma'am because it's their right. Karapatan nilang wag kang tawagin ma'am eh. Ay, ayaw nila. Bakit ba? Anong karapatan mong i-push yan? Tang ina. And yan, ayoko talaga mangyari yan dito sa Pilipinas. No, it's nakakaloka. I don't know. Kasi parang lost na kayo sa pinaglalaban ng LGBTQ. Yun lang. Bye.